wanted to do a little sort of unboxing video about this new tool that I got. It's called Palette Scout. It's made by Zolly, which is a parent company of Gist Yarn, which also makes the array tapestry yarn we've all come to love. So there's a blog post that goes with this if you're finding this video on YouTube. And I also made a whole nother video of me using this tool to figure out the colors for a particular tapestry. And that is, I talk about that more in the blog post and where you can find that video. So let's just look real quickly at what this tool is. It's a color theory tool, which will help you figure out some color theory concepts, and the tool actually walks you through it, which is one of the cool things about it. So it's in a nice sturdy box. And then when you take this out, there's a lovely pamphlet which talks about how the color theory stuff works. So very nice in terms of their 18 hues and how to use the whole system. Then on the back there is even more information. There's also a video linked with a QR code in this pamphlet about how to use Palette Scout. So the top of the deck, you'll find the colors that are included. There are 18 of them, and they are, this is kind of cool, in alphabetical order. So when you're going to put your deck back together, you can do it alphabetically. And the hint is actually on the back if you forget about that. So there's color cards for each of the hues, of the 18 hues that are included. This one is the first one. Amber is a yellow, and the pure saturated color is number 3. The two colors that are tints or white added are 4 and 5, and the two that are shades with black added are 1 and 2. And then there are, on the flip side of the cards, 5 tones, which create sort of a different feeling. So all of the colors each have a card, and then on the back of that card are the harmonies. So this is the really cool thing about using this tool, is that you can go through and say, well, for Amber, I want to find out what the complement is. So it is this little purple triangle, which on this card you can figure out is jewel. So that's the complement, and you can use that to make a complementary color pairing. There's a bunch of other harmonies on each card. It also comes with some challenge cards, and there are 8 different challenges on there. And then you have a whole deck of colors, which is so fun. What I love about this tool is that I can spread out those colors. So here's the amber we were looking at. Here's the fully saturated color, the 2 tints with white added and the 2 tones with black added. And then on the back are this is the tone. These are shades with black added, and tones are on the back, and they have some kind of gray added, and they're just more, they're toned down. Really beautiful colors. So if I want to make that complementary color with the jewel, I could go here and find the jewel cards and play with making a palette. And what I like about this is that I can just choose the cards I'm interested in using and set the rest aside and sort of build a palette, having each of the cards separate. Unlike using a color wheel where I'm sort of playing, but I'm unable to pull out a card of that color without using, some other means, paint or something. So that's what I love about Palette Scout. It's a really fun tool, and I hope you all enjoy using it a lot. I'll definitely be using this tool in my online classes quite a lot when we're talking about color, and I've already used it in a couple of in-person retreats. So I highly recommend this beautiful little color tool, and I hope you love it also.